Hello friends. Welcome back to Brainsprouts by Robby, the channel that makes math fun, simple, and easy for every child. Today, we are starting a brand new topic. We are learning division. This is part 1, and by the end of this lesson, you will understand exactly what division means, and you will be able to solve simple division problems by yourself. So sit up, take your notebook, and let's begin. What is division? Division is a way of sharing or splitting a number into equal groups. When we divide, we are asking, how many are in each group? Or, how many equal groups can we make? Division always involves 3 parts. The number we are sharing, the number of groups, and the answer we get. Let me teach you with a simple story. Imagine you have 6 sweets. You want to share them equally between 2 friends. You put 1 sweet for friend A, 1 sweet for friend B. Then you repeat. At the end, each friend gets 3 sweets. So we say, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Write it like this. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. This is the meaning of division. When you multiply, numbers get bigger. When you divide, numbers get smaller. Example. 2 times 3 equals 6. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Multiplication and division are connected. This will help you solve division easily. Imagine you have 8 pencils. You want to put them into 4 equal groups. So you place them one by one, until every group has 2 pencils. So the division sentence is, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. You shared 8 pencils into 4 groups. Each group got 2. Now let's solve some examples together. Say them with me. Example 1. 12 divided by 2. We want to share 12 into 2 equal groups. If you put 1 in each group again and again, both groups get 6. So the answer is, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Example 2. 9 divided by 3. We want to share 9 into 3 groups. Put 1 in each group until you finish. Each group gets 3. So, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Example 3. 10 divided by 5. We want to share 10 into 5 equal groups. Each group gets 2. So, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Good work. You are learning fast. Very easy trick for division. If you already know multiplication tables, division becomes simple. For example, what is 15 divided by 3? Just ask. 3 times what gives 15? 3 times 5 equals 15. So, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. This is the easiest way to divide. Let's try some small word problems. 1. Tina has 8 apples. She wants to share them equally between 2 people. How many apples does each person get? We divide. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So each person gets 4 apples. 2. There are 12 biscuits. They are put into 3 equal plates. How many biscuits will each plate get? 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Each plate gets 4. 3. A teacher has 15 crayons. She wants to give them to 5 pupils equally. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Each pupil gets 3 crayons. Excellent work. Assignment for students. Write and solve the following. 1. 16 divided by 2 equals 2. 18 divided by 3 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Share 12 sweets among 4 friends. How many does each friend get? 5. Share 9 pencils into 3 groups. How many in each group? Bring your answers to the next lesson. You have learned a lot today. Division is simply sharing a number into equal groups. In part 2, we will learn more tricks that make division even easier. So make sure you subscribe to Brainsprouts by Robby and come back for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.